Hey everybody, Willie Schmidt here with another Siberian cooler tip, this one dealing with the cleaning care of your cooler. Siberian gets a lot of questions asked of them of what type of chemicals or detergents should you use to clean your cooler, and frankly, nothing very harsh. Using Dawn soap, or if you want, Simple Green's about as harsh as you need to get, 1 ounce to 2 cups. It's still biodegradable and isn't going to harm you. And I don't know why you'd want to use anything harsher than that anyway, because you're storing ice and food that you're going to feed you and your family out of your cooler. These are going to do just fine on cleaning fish smell, blood, oil, spilled foods, dirt from your camping adventures, just fine, and it's going to remove any smell. So just use whichever mixture that you want, rinse out the cooler, use a sponge or a soft bristle brush, brush it out, rinse it back out, open the drain plug and let it dry in the natural surroundings, not in the direct sunlight, and it's going to dry great and remove any smells. If you follow this regimen, you're going to be able to go fishing, keep fish in here, and a couple days later take it to the grocery store and get food for your family, and you're not going to have any funky smell. Following that regimen, I think it's going to give you a lifetime of great use, and Siberian will treat you well.